Hello everyone, I am Shruti Dikshit, Faculty of Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, SIRT College. SIRT College is under the SAGE group. Today, I am taking lab experiment of electronic circuits. Code of electronic circuits subject is EC405. Aim of the experiment is to analyze the working of Hartley oscillator in multisim software. We will see this experiment in multisim software, how to design it and simulation part of Hartley oscillator. This is the circuit diagram of Hartley oscillator. Oscillators are circuits that produce specific periodic waveforms such as square wave, triangular wave, sawtooth and sinusoidal waveforms. Oscillator is a type of feedback amplifier in which part of the output is fed back to the input via feedback circuit. Here, instead of giving input, we are observing the output in this CRO and measure the frequency for this particular oscillator circuit. This is the circuit diagram of Hartley oscillator. Here we are using transistor BC547 BP. This is the rating of this transistor. Here we are using 4 resistors R1, R2, R3 and R4, and this capacitor C3 is in parallel with this resistor circuit, the resistor, and here this tank circuit is there. This L1 and L2 are the inductors and C4 is the capacitor which is in parallel with these two inductors, and we are taking the output from this negative terminal is connected to this tank circuit, and positive terminal is connected via this C2 capacitor C2. Okay, first of all we will design this circuit in our circuit window. Okay, so how to draw this circuit? First we will see here we will go to new. This is a new design. This is design 1 and this is our Hartley oscillator circuit. So we want to design this Hartley oscillator. So this is the blank circuit window. How to design this Hartley oscillator we will see in this. First of all we will go here, place transistor. This is the different transistors are available here. So I am selecting this particular transistor BC547 BP transistor. Okay, and just keep here. Okay, then I will go to this different basic components because I want resistor, 4 resistors I required. So I will just place here 4 resistors. Okay, in this way. Then I require capacitor, so from there we can take capacitor also here. Then we require inductor also, so first of all we will take inductor in this way. Okay, now I want this sources, 2 sources are required, ground and VCC supply of 5 volt. Okay, first of all I will arrange all the components in this circuit window, and according to my circuit diagram I will connect it. Okay, so the connection of this is very easy. If I will click here, this right click 90° counterclockwise, so in this way we can change the orientation of these different components. If I want to change the component value, then I will just double click it and I will change according to the requirement. If I require 3.6 or in my design particularly. See, if you will see here, I require these 4 resistors having rating 10, then 3.6, 4.7 and 2.7. So I can easily change the values of these resistors. Okay, here suppose I require 10 kilo ohm resistor, so I will just click here, then the resistor value is changed. Now it is 10 kilo ohms. The connection of this, if I want to change the position, I have to just change the position of these different components. If I want to connect, so I have to simply connect. So in this way we can connect these different components. Okay, here I want again change the orientation, so in this way I can change it. Okay, and the connection is very simple. Okay, simply we have to select this node and just connect. Okay, so according to my circuit diagram, I will connect these different components. Okay, and I will change the values of these components also. So I have made this circuit in this way, already prepared. So in this way we can design our circuit. So this is the transistor Q2, and different resistors are there. These R1 and R4 are connected to this VCC supply. Then here the grounded R2 and R3 are grounded. Then this input means this input here from base we are taking from the C1 capacitor. So C1 connection is given to this tank circuit. So in this way our circuit will be designed. And this is the CRO oscilloscope. Here we will see the output of our circuit. First of all, I have placed all the components, then I have connected all the components, and I have changed the values of these different components according to my requirement, and then the circuit is made. If I want to simulate this circuit, so I have to click this button, run button. So now see there are changes. Okay, this circuit is now simulating. If I will double click this, if I want to change this time base, okay, here I am using the channel B. Okay, so channel B I am using here. So I will change the channel B's amplitude. Okay, in this way the amplitude is changing. Okay, then this Y position we can change in this way. Okay, reverse. Okay, the color will be changed. If I want to this time, so this time will be changed. Particularly I have scale value of 500 microsecond per division. Okay, and here the channel B is 1 volt per division. Okay, so in this way we can simulate, we can design our Hartley oscillator in our multisim software, and this is the simulation part of the Hartley oscillator. In this way we can measure the frequency of the circuit, and in this way we have fulfilled our aim of the experiment. We have analyzed, means we have designed and simulated our Hartley oscillator in multisim software. Okay, thank you.